What is this verb?
Jump.
Yeah, jump. You have to write down the third action verb. That is. So reading is also a action verb. We are doing something. Okay. So have you write? R-E-A-D. Read. Okay, this one is
It's cry.
yeah, crying. Crying is also action verb. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
cry. C-R-Y. You just write down C-R-Y.
C-R-Y.
Yeah, cry.
Yeah.
Do you have a bicycle? Okay, so cycling is also, riding is also a action verb. So the spelling of ride is R-I-D-E. Have you done writing?
Yeah.
Okay. Down the spelling W-A-L-K.
A
L.
L K.
Okay, walk. Let's see the next one. Watch. Do you like watching TV, cartoons, or games?
Uh, what are what are cartoons?
You don't know
Uh,
cartoons?
oh yeah, cartoons. I know them. I know. I like them.
Okay, watching is also a action verb.
How do you write watch?
W
W
A
A
T
T
C, C for Chetna,
C.
and then H. H for hat.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Okay.
see last two action verbs. W-R-I-T-E. Writing. Writing is
I
also an action
T
verb.
E. Okay. One more.
Laughing is also an action verb. L-A-U.
Is it a Y or U?
U. It's you. L-A-U.
U
G-H.
G A.
Now we are doing an exercise, okay? We are doing an exercise.
Bro.
Okay, you just tell me the first one. Run, eat, swim.
Swim. Ride.
Very good. Fly,
Fish. Sleep.
jump,
Jump.
and
And
sing. Very good. Let's see. Your answer is correct. Yeah, your answer is correct.